Good morning, everybody. Oh, morning. Clock is 11. I crawled out of bed 10 o'clock. Set an alarm for 9. I was just, no, and my you're not ready to get out of bed. So, I woke up by having someone in a dream yelling in through a room. Bursting in through a door into a room I was in. And I was sitting on a couch looking through a magazine from Disney World, and the older lady came to, I am not satisfied with this. So, okay. And then I wake up. So apparently my unconsciousness is not satisfied with me not getting up. So I'm up. My body has a weird way to wake me up sometimes, because it will before the alarm go off. I just sit up in bed and then the alarm go off. So yeah, it'll be fine. I spent the last hour checking up my game, checking up on the export I did last night, or last evening, and the most of this night. Hello, Liam. Hello. It's done. Now I can do the Danish version of that saving challenge video, which right now loading is probably done loading in about 5 minutes if this continue. Then I need to watch it to make sure I got everything right lined up. That would take barely 20 minutes. And then I can set to export, which means it will be done exporting probably by around 6 o'clock tonight. Hopefully before. Liam, you want attention? Is that it? Morning. Oh yeah, morning. He wants attention all the time. Come on. Hi. You're a little scaredy cat. You're a little scaredy cat. Well, when I am doing this, I am gonna get something to eat. And then I am gonna go upstairs. I need to get some stuff done up there. Hi. Didn't work. He doesn't want to come up. It's weird because normally when he starts scratching and things, it's because he wants attention. And this is actually the first time he comes in since I actually woke up, and he doesn't want to get up to get pets. So I will have to bend down and pet him down the ground. It's just how it is. But we did get a new subscriber last evening, so welcome. I could see your name and all that kind of stuff. But when I woke up this morning, we lost another one. Why? So welcome to the new subscriber. I am very thankful for you. And to the subscriber I lost, please come back. Please come back. Isn't there a song that was called that? It's okay. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Now, let's get this show on the road. Look who has finally decided to come by. Come, boy. Come. Yeah, I know. Hi. Do you know what? You just came in the right time so I could shout out someone. Do you want to help me? Welcome to the new subscriber. We are officially on 253. Thank you, everybody, for helping me out. so mommy can pay our bills. Oh, you know you're not getting any of those money, right? Yeah, they're going all in the jar. Yeah, they're all going in the jar. But I always think about you guys before I buy food for myself. That's something everyone should remember when they have animals. So, the clothes is done in the washing machine. I have changed the cat litter and did a little bit of cleaning, not much. What? But I think it's time to go upstairs and see if I can get something up there done. Good thumbnail. What? Meow? 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 I agree with you. It's a horrible weather outside. Which is why I'm not going upstairs. I was about to go upstairs, then I looked out of the window and it's raining like crazy. And now you guys may think, Anne-Marie, what in the world does rain outside have to do with you going upstairs inside a house? Well, it has something to do with filming. If you watch the video with the around an hour video I uploaded the other day, where I was filming the saving challenges and budget video, yeah, you would in the background could hear the rain. That's frustrating when you have to film something. And the rain we have now is about the same amount that's come down that it did in that film. And it has been worse than that earlier today. So that's why I said, oh, it looks like they'll stop, so I'll go upstairs. Then when I went out to go upstairs, I saw it was still raining. I'm just, nope, not today. And I know that's not exactly productive, but I don't want to waste my time upstairs knowing that it's gonna rain. That's why if I ever got around to actually building that house I so badly want to build, there will no longer be a roof. I will no longer be on the roof or just under the roof. There will be a ceiling like this. So I will no longer could hear rain unless it's hitting the window. And quite possibly, I can't speak. It's very possible that in one of the rooms there won't be any windows because there are something about daylight and sun hitting a car stock and that kind of stuff. That's a no-go. So one room of those art rooms will have a lot of light, the other one wouldn't have barely nothing. So yeah, I can't wait till one day to build that house. And it requires me not to go upstairs to do the crafting. Yeah. So I'm scratching the craft stuff today, which means I still need to go out with the clothes in the dryer, which I'm waiting for it to stop again. And I am gonna watch some videos on YouTube I haven't kept up with, and I am gonna chill my kitty cats, make some dinner, spaghetti and meat sauce, and what more? Maybe clean a little bit, maybe, won't promise anything. Still need to hear when I have to go to work tomorrow. There's not supposed to be any guests at work this weekend, so I only have cleaning. Honey, so technically, if he wants me to work tomorrow, which he probably won't, I could be there 9 o'clock, do the regular cleaning, and then go and do some other cleaning and look what I can get done and count up the beddings, and then just maybe get early home before noon, or maybe around noon, and then get lunch over there when I'm over there. That's a possibility too. So with that said, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, little bell for notification, throw in that like, and I will see you tomorrow. For those who doesn't know, for every subscriber I get on this channel and my other channel, I will throw in 1 Danish krone to a jar I have upstairs. I will tally everything up by the end of the month. So if the month is, let's say, to the 1st, I can see, alright, we gained 5 subscribers. I'll go and take 5 Danish kroner and put it into the jar. That jar that's going to my craft, to my daily blog. If my craft channel has gained 2 subscribers, I will take 2 kroner, put 2 kroner in that jar. That goes to that one, and that way we will grow. So I see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys.